Hey, what's up, guys? This is Gerardo Ramirez, aka Graham Trades 2.5, and today's September 7th, 2019. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do a recap video yesterday on Friday. I was just a little too busy at work and couldn't really find the time on my lunch break to get this thing recorded. But I just wanted to go over yesterday trades. I didn't trade at all in the morning. I was up way too late Thursday night watching it chapter two, and I just could not get up early enough on Friday. I think I woke up like at 7 o'clock, and market opens at 6:30. That's already way too late for me. I don't. I feel like I would rush into positions and jump into something that's truly not there and that I'm not prepared for. So so I just held off and I was just watching the markets. I saw what did I see? I saw EDSA. Oh yeah, here it is. Yeah. So I was planning on trading this on a short position. I'm gonna pull up my watch list that I had. Wait, is that it? Oh yeah, it was blank. I don't know why. So I had it written down right here. I had EDSA, OMI, and NE. Okay. Had those written down, and I was so pissed to see how this thing turned out on the day. Um, Again, it was way too late for me. I had like 7 o'clock when I woke up, and I just felt like I was gonna rush into something, and it was already down here, something like that. It already made its major moves. Um, but I probably would have tried playing the overextended gap down, and I would have got squeezed out, and maybe I would have took another position up here, seeing how this consolidation area. This is a very strong consolidation area, 6.25. You could see that yesterday or the day before, it shot up and came all the way back down, bounced off that line, and then once it did below that line, it struggled, and then I mean, you could tell there's a lot of volume somewhere up in here, and once this thing pulled back really hard in the morning, if I could just zoom in. Once it popped up and just shot right back on down, that's a pretty clear signal to me that there's huge resistance up there, and that would have been a great area to risk off of. And I probably would have took a short on that, but I don't want to play that game of, oh, I would have, I should have, I could have. I really don't want to do all that. So let's just get into what I actually got into. I got into ENDP in the afternoon. I didn't trade in the morning because, like I said, I woke up too late. And I didn't feel comfortable getting into something that late without doing my regular background research on it. So I got in on this play right here, ENDP. This thing shot up from its open Thursday. It went from 223 all the way to 3.53, which is around 60% gainer. Um, After an overextension and seeing this sort of hard resistance form, after hours, that's usually a clear indicator for me that that this thing is going to drop pretty hard the following morning. So I got into this basically right before the close, the close for the after hours, with an average of 3.39. I'm going to show you right here. Average price 3.39. That's the market value. This is my position. And right now I'm up $5. Obviously, that's nothing. But yeah, that's my position right here. So I'm up $5 so far, waiting for that thing to come on down tomorrow. I mean Monday. Hopefully I get a nice drop somewhere to. I would probably take something right around $3. Probably take a little bit off right around here, and then let the rest ride out. I would want to take it right here just because it's a very round number. It could bounce potentially, and I would not want that to happen. So I would probably scale out a little bit right there, and then let the rest ride out for the rest of the day. And another thing to note here that I also took note of when I entered this position is this um, this trend line right here. So I saw this thing just a lot of downtrend. I mean, I know it traded a lot of volume these last couple of days, but um, the overall trend is just down. So I think there's just too much volume, too many people, too many traders, too many retail traders and institutional buyers that are just gonna look at this and be like, no, this is not gonna hold up, and just start selling it off um, for a nice little dip, maybe to 275 something like that. Maybe it bounces at 3, and that's why I'm going to take off a lot of shares right around 3 if it drops that far down. But anyways, that was my only trade on the day. Um, to recap my trading for the week, I'm going to show you guys right here. I am down a little bit, but nothing to worry about. It's part of the game, and as a trader, you really gotta understand that. You really gotta understand that and know that you're going to take some losses, but you got to just keep on adapting and growing from those lessons. And I think I learned a lot from this past week. As soon as this program loads up, I'm going to show you guys all the trades of the week. But I feel very comfortable with where I'm at right now. Uh, okay, here we go. So for this month of September, we'll even do I could actually do just a date range. From there. Same thing. Okay. Okay, so I traded 4 times this week. I traded once on the short into heavy resistance, and it made me $110. That was a really good trade. If I wanted to get into it, I could really open this thing up. I really like this program. It really breaks things down. Tuesday was a winner. It followed. I entered it correctly and exited it correctly, and everything went according to plan. In that regard, it was a short into heavy resistance, the ticker, and if I really wanted to, I could pull up the chart and everything. The screenshot that I took, I'll just show you guys. Where is it? Right here. So I can find it right here. Open the trade. It pops up over here. There you go. There's entries and exits, my notes, advanced trade data. I can go into how I felt about the trade. I was very confident. I gave myself an A on this one. Everything was according to plan. I did everything how I wanted to. And then if I click on that, here's the screenshot. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. But yeah, so this week, where is it? Yeah, so this week I'm down $64 on the week. Some good losses. I'm not gonna lie. Some mistakes I made on. I just let certain things just squeeze me. ELTK, MRNS. I could have clearly that could have been a nice green one, but I just got overly greedy and let that thing squeeze back up on me. ELTK was another one that I took a loss on. This was the loss I took right before taking this win. And yeah, that's it for the week. And then obviously I'm in that one position, ENDP. I just haven't. I don't like putting the trades on here until after I close the trade up. So yeah, that's about it, guys. I'll be posting this on LinkedIn. I'm starting to really go after LinkedIn as a platform to really document this journey. I'll be pushing people onto this YouTube channel from LinkedIn. But yeah, follow me on LinkedIn or hit me up on LinkedIn or hit me up right here on YouTube. Give me any comments or any feedback. I'd really appreciate it. All right, you guys have a good one.